RAM vertical bar ROM. 3 GB RAM vertical bar 64 GB ROM. Store up to 2000 photos. Processor 1.8 GHz clock speed. Lag-free performance. Rear camera 8MP rear camera. Capture good quality pictures. Front camera 5MP front camera. Take stunning selfies. Display 6.71-inch HD plus 90Hz display with GG3. Protection. Immersive display. Enhanced viewing experience. Battery. Times 5000 mAh battery. Charging that can last up to 2 days asterisk. Other details. Network type. 4G Volt, 4G 3G 2G. SIM type, dual SIM. Expandable storages. Audio jack yes. Quick charging yes. In the box handset, adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, quick start guide, warranty card, safety information. Warranty summary 1 year manufacturer warranty. For phone and 6 months warranty for in the box. Accessories. The Redmi A3X is distinguished by its innovative premium halo design. The center's well-placed circular camera decor enhances the circle's aesthetic harmony. This design embodies the spirit of exceptional craftsmanship and is more than just visually pleasing. The design's remarkable temperament, which offers a visually pleasing experience that is both smart and beautiful, displays a dedication to perfection. The Redmi A3X is a work of art that seamlessly blends practicality and artistic design at every angle. A technical wonder, the Redmi A3X is only 8.3 mm thick. The superior flat frame design and slender profile of the smartphone make it both visually pleasing and comfortable to carry. It is a unique gadget from every viewpoint thanks to its sleek and contemporary design, which also increases its visual appeal. There will be heads turning whether you pull the Redmi A3X out of your pocket or set it on a table because of its exquisite elegance. Take in a world of vibrant colors and breathtaking images on the Redmi A3X's big 17.04 cm, 6.71 display. This large screen, whether you're watching movies, playing games or surfing the web, draws you in straight away with its 500 nits, HBM, of brightness. The striking display size makes sure that every detail is incredibly clear, offering an unmatched cinematic experience. With the Redmi A3X, routine chores become amazing experiences that enhance the fun and engagement of entertainment. With the Redmi A3X's flawless performance and its smooth 90Hz refresh rate, say goodbye to latency. The seamless experience of this high refresh rate screen makes online surfing, casual gaming, and social media browsing more responsive and fluid. Your engagement with the device is elevated by the improved refresh rate, which guarantees that every swipe, scroll, and tap is met with prompt and seamless response. The Redmi A3X provides a responsive and enjoyable experience whether you're using applications or playing your favorite games. The Redmi A3X combines beauty and durability with its Corning Gorilla Glass protection. You may feel secure knowing that your smartphone is protected from drops and scratches with this sturdy glass cover, giving you peace of mind while going about your daily business. You can carry your Redmi A3X with confidence owing to its strong build, which ensures that it is well protected from the rigors of daily usage. The power and design of the Redmi A3X combine to make it a dependable partner for your mobile lifestyle. With the Redmi A3X, ease and security go hand in hand. Compared to rear-mounted scanners, this creative design side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button provides a more comfortable and effective unlocking experience. Furthermore, the face unlock function adds an additional degree of ease and security by enabling you to rapidly unlock your phone simply by staring at it. These cutting-edge security technologies speed up and simplify device access while guaranteeing the safety of your personal data. With the Redmi A3X, you may enjoy better and quicker performance because of its outstanding 4 GB of RAM and up to 4 GB of virtual RAM. This combination makes sure that applications function flawlessly and offer a responsive and smooth user experience. The Redmi A3X manages everything with ease, whether you're playing games, watching movies, or multitasking. With enough RAM, switching between activities is a breeze, which makes the Redmi A3X an extremely productive device. With the Redmi A3X, you never have to worry about running out of space. With an impressive 1 TB of expandable internal storage and up to 128 GB of available storage, this smartphone has more than enough room for all of your movies, TV shows, applications, and other media. You can keep your favorite movies and apps close at hand thanks to the large storage capacity, which guarantees you have enough space for all of your digital material. The Redmi A3X is the ideal gadget for productivity and enjoyment since it's made to fit your expanding digital collection. With the 8MP dual camera on the Redmi A3X, you can capture the world in breathtaking detail. With this camera system, you can easily make artistic and visually captivating images since it comes with a range of historical film filters. Capturing candid moments, landscapes, or portraits, the Redmi A3X guarantees that every photo is flawless. DL improvements take your photography to a new level by producing pictures of expert quality that are perfect for sharing and preserving. With the Redmi A3X's robust 5000 mAh battery, you can stay occupied and connected for longer. With its long-lasting battery, you can watch movies, make video calls, and browse the internet for hours at a time without having to constantly recharge. Spend less time plugged in and more time using your gadget thanks to the quick and effective 10 watts Type-C charger that comes with it. Designed to keep up with your hectic lifestyle, the Redmi A3X delivers dependable power all day long. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share, subscribe and hit the all notifications buttons on.